Hey guys, welcome back again.
It's my line.
Forget about your line. I'm the boss here. Who's cooking, me or you?
I'm eating.
You should
I'm
eat.
the most important
Okay,
person.
go ahead. Say.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Guys, it's great to be with you again. What we're gonna do today is turkey on a rotisserie with stuffing. It's gonna taste amazing. It's like 4 to 5 hours it's gonna take for us to cook, so I wanna make short and sweet my conversation. I'm not gonna talk too much. We're gonna go inside, we're gonna show you how we prepare all this delicious food. And of course, my wife gonna watch me and eat it, right?
Yeah.
And give her approval.
I'm the biggest critic.
Yeah. And guys, look at our beautiful leaves. Look, the winter is here. Okay? So let's start, guys. This is our turkey. It's approximately around 13 pounds. We're gonna put shiitake mushrooms inside, celery, onion, and stuffing. Okay, so this is the company that we use. I'm gonna start by cutting the onion first. Alright, I'm gonna dice the onion. I'm gonna start lightly to saute the onion. Okay guys, chicken fat. You can use oil if you like, you can use margarine if you like, but I'm gonna use chicken fat. It's gonna make it taste very, very good. Okay, so now we're gonna add all the onion. I'm gonna prepare the celery. That's gonna go after the onion gets a nice golden color. Now we're gonna chop the celery. If you don't have this thing, you can cut it by hand.
But this chopper is amazing and it will be linked down below for you guys to check it out.
Now that our onion has nice golden color, so we're gonna add the celery inside. I'm using the shiitake mushroom, and shiitake mushroom, you're gonna take the stem out. They're very, very hard, okay? Now we're gonna cube the shiitake mushroom. Now we're gonna add the mushrooms. Mix it all up and let it cook for approximately 10 minutes. Alright guys, this thing is ready over here, so turn off the fire. We're gonna put our stuffing. I'm gonna add a little bit chicken broth at a time. This way it's not gonna be saggy. I think that should be it, because then we're gonna put it inside the turkey, and with all the juice of the turkey is gonna be nice and moist and delicious. Okay, if you guys pay attention, I didn't put salt or pepper because the stuffing has already seasoning, so it has salt and everything else in it. So we're not gonna add any salt and pepper. We're gonna stuff our turkey. My turkey is nice and stuffed. Look at that. That's it. See how the leg nice and tight? The stuffing not gonna go anywhere. Perfecto, one side. Let's do the other side now. Our turkey is ready to go. Let's see. Oh, baby. Looking good. We're gonna go prepare the seasoning on top of the turkey, okay? So let's go. I'm gonna start with olive oil, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and thyme. Mix it all up. Smells so nice. And now let's go rub it all over the turkey. Looking good, look at that. And guys, you can do the same thing in the house, okay? I'm doing it in a rotisserie, you can do the same way. And you just put it inside the oven for approximately 4 hours. Depends on the weight of your turkey. Turkey stuffing on a rotisserie. How exciting is that? Let's ask my wife if it's exciting. Polina, can you take a video of your mother? You see what my wife made me do? Turkey she used to do inside the oven. Now I'm doing turkey outside. She says it's a good idea.
And you know what's gonna happen? If it's gonna taste delicious, which is I know it will. You know who's gonna be cooking the turkey from now on Thanksgiving?
Me outside. Can you believe that?
I think he gets himself in trouble.
Yeah, I think I did get myself in trouble, but we just want to know how good it tastes. So we're gonna keep you posted. It's a long process. Every couple of hours, we're gonna give you a little update and let you know how it's going on. So we'll see you in about a couple of hours. Approximately 2 hours passed for my delicious stuffed turkey. I think we have another good. I would easily guess another 3 hours. Okay, so I'm just putting a little bit more dressing on top. Okay, so hope to see you maybe in about like an hour and a half. I'll give you a little more update. Okay, so far it's doing great, smells good. How does it smell?
Delicious.
Amazing.
Pauline, how does it smell?
Amazing.
Smells
It's making
good.
me hungry.
Okay guys, we'll see you a little bit later. 3.5 hours passed by already so far. Look how beautiful my stuffed turkey looks like. Guys, if you have rotisserie, try this thing for Thanksgiving. And if you don't, then too bad.
Enjoy the video.
Yeah. So my wife wants to put potatoes. You see? I already hide one underneath. She wants to put another one over here, so I'm gonna put another potatoes underneath the ember. That's what she told me to do, so that's what I'm doing. See? And we're gonna eat when it's ready. See, it's hiding underneath. So looks like we have another, easily I would say another like 2.5 hours to go. Approximately 4.5 hours passed by. It looks amazing. And you must ask yourself how long it takes to get ready. Very soon it's gonna be ready. Very, very soon. Look how nice and dark outside. Look at the ember. The turkey is still roasting. It's already past 5 hours. We're gonna let it go for another like 40 minutes and we're gonna take it out. It looks amazing and it smells amazing. My turkey is ready. Look how beautiful that thing looks. Took approximately 6 hours to get ready. Guys, by the way, if you guys hear the sound, it's raining outside. Oh, now we're gonna test it. Look how good it looks. Look, look. Turkey is ready. 6 hours later, look how pretty it looks. So we're gonna do a quick tasting because it's getting rainy and windy outside. And just in case, this is my wife's potatoes, whatever we put, baked potatoes. We had to leave it maybe like 20 minutes inside the charcoals over there. And it looks amazing.
So good.
So let me do a little slice. Whoa, look at this, babe, come. Try this delicious, delicious turkey that I did. Don't forget, we have stuffing in here. So let me cut the leg. Oh my God, what a turkey, what a turkey. What a turkey. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that beauty. Take a little bit stuffing from inside. A little bit.
Oh, that looks so good.
Oh, that looks so good.
Oh my God. Thanksgiving really came early.
Yeah. Okay guys, 6 hours later, let's do the testing. I'll go first.
So we're gonna taste it together. I'm gonna taste the turkey, you taste the stuffing.
And I'm gonna taste the stuffing. Good?
It's perfectly cooked. Wow.
Oh my God, it smells so good. Guys, I'm gonna taste the stuffing. Oh my God. Wow.
I'm gonna put some salt on my potatoes.
The stuffing is amazing. I tried the stuffing.
I just did.
Okay, I'm
Delicious.
gonna do the turkey right now. Oh. Amazing. Tastes amazing. It's real good.
Potatoes inside the fire. If you know, you know. It brings me back to my childhood.
Okay guys, let me try the potatoes quickly. It's raining hard.
It's raining very hard. I feel like I should voice over. They're trying the potatoes
Guys,
now.
potatoes. Wow, very good.
He said the potatoes are amazing.
Stuffing.
Just in case if you don't hear us.
I'm
Guys,
voiceovering
stuffing
it.
is amazing. We gotta run home because it's raining.
It's pouring.
It's pouring.
Right. Pleasure being with you. For anybody who wants to try this thing for Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. If you want to
From
try
our
this thing,
family to yours.
yeah, if you want to try this thing for any other day, please try it. The same thing you can do at home if you don't have the rotisserie. It's a pleasure being with you. Guys, we want to drink for you guys, for health, happiness, and success. Pleasure being with you. Hope to see you next time. Stay safe. Salute.
Cheers.